The struggle is real. Ang hirap to fold it proportionally. Ay. Cleaning and organizing the house can be so much work, especially for working moms and dads. I mean, fixing up takes a lot of time, especially when we have so much stuff that we don't know what to do and where to put them anymore. I mean, do we keep them? Do we throw them away? It's really so hard to let things go, especially if they have sentimental value. So what do we do? How do we organize? And where do we even begin? Hello everyone, my name is Cat Arambulo-Antonio. Welcome to PHirst at Home. Having a lot of stuff laying around is so overwhelming. So I'm welcoming today Miss Issa Reyes of Neat Obsessions to tell us more about being able to place things and declutter our lives so that we live a more organized and have a better space altogether.
Thank you, Kat, for inviting me. I am so excited for today.
Okay, you have to tell me, what is the process in organizing one's home?
So we first do sorting. So we have to categorize all our stuff. So all clothes go together, all kitchen items go together, and then we do decluttering if need be. When you're done with sorting, the process of elimination is easier because you know, at one glance you can
Naka-segregate na.
you can right away see kung ilang gamit meron ka. And then the third one is rehoming, which is the crucial step in organizing. Part of you conceptualizing your house is also visualizing the interior of the interior. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, what's inside the storage, what's inside your cabinet. If hindi mo siya paplanuhin, then chances are may mga items talaga na lalabas and may mga items na
Hindi mo talaga kailangan.
hindi mo talaga kailangan.
Okay, so there you guys have it. You have 3 basic steps, which is sorting, decluttering, and rehoming. So Issa, let's get to work.
Okay, let's go. It's really important that you have a specific storage for food, especially if you have a small kitchen. Make sure that you do utilize the space. So when you're going to organize, all like items should be together.
Yes.
Para you go lang to a specific area, you don't have to move around.
Okay, perfect.
So this is an example of how you're going to
I love it!
organize your under the sink. So it's an under the sink caddy where you can keep all your cleaning materials and of course yung mga pamunas and yung scrub, and you can carry it actually all around the house.
And what's good is that even like your sponges, all of it has a place of its own.
Yes.
No, and it doesn't mix up because syempre yung pamunas mo dyan sa table, you don't want the same thing that you scrub on the floor.
Right.
How do we maximize the space in a small bath area?
Okay, you have to again visualize and see kung saan ka pa pwedeng makapag-create ng extra storage. There are a lot of mga corner shelvings and mga hanging shelves. Actually, isa yan sa nakakalimutan ng mga tao. Towel holder. Parang ang tagal mo nang nakatira dun sa lugar na yon and you don't notice that yung towel, pinapatong mo lang siya sa toilet.
Yeah, exactly.
Diba?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, it's really nice ba to live in yung sakto lang na space kasi it teach you to be mindful.
Less is more.
Yes. And parang alam mo lang kung ano yung important and alam mo lang kung ano yung kailangan mo.
Don't let it waste there.
Yeah. If you want to maximize your closet space, I would suggest you using either this kinds of basket or pull-out drawer.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to show you something, a trick for pants. Like, di ba sometimes hindi na natin kayang ihang lahat ng pants. Now, if you're going to fold your pants and you store it in your closet, instead of letting it face this way, I'd rather you face it this way. Because kita mo na yung ilalim and yung...
that's very smart. Okay.
Right? Also, you can do it, of course, again, KonMari way, where you file fold it.
I love it. And this, how do you fold this one?
Okay. This jacket, you tuck in the hood.
Yes.
Okay? And then, what you're going to do next is, here, this will act like a pocket, so you can just insert it.
Oh my gosh!
So, there.
Pack and go!
So, yan. Diba? So, kahit itapon mo siya, pwede pa siyang unan when you travel.
This excites me. You have to explain this to me.
I actually did this last Christmas kasi I wanted to come up with a gift wrapping station. I wanted to be multifunctional, so I also did it as a supply station for my mga mga school supplies of my
Yeah.
kids. And plus, we don't have a study table. We
Yeah.
actually study in the dining room sometimes.
So you bring this around, that's why may wheels siya.
They sell it na in department stores.
This
There are
one.
a lot of online stores also that offer the cart.
Okay.
Wala lang yung attachment. But again, just like what I did, you can actually attach naman on the sides, like pegboards. You can also buy that in online shops
Okay.
as well. So you just have to be resourceful and imagine ba how you want.
How everything, and how you're gonna use it. I think that's important, no? I didn't realize that there are a lot of things that you really need to think about when you declutter and, you know, when it comes to organizing everything, no?
I think you should know. You should really know yourself. That's the bottom line
Yeah.
of it all. You
Yeah.
have to know what type of, your lifestyle.
Yeah.
What's important to you.
Yeah.
What are your priorities. And that's how you will be able to come up with your own system. Organizing is never technical.
Yeah.
It's always about the system that works for you.
Okay, so thank you, Issa, so much for joining us today. I mean, and I hope our viewers learned a lot about organizing and decluttering their homes. So guys, join us next time for more home management and lifestyle segments here at First at Home.